want to show you how I make springs when I need to, and I just came up with this idea today. So you can see I've got various size round stocks here, just pieces of steel, and these are actually pivot replacements, some of them. You can see the springs I've already made, and I've got the eraser here to show you a size. So I've got a piece of steel in here now, and you can use any size. You can make extension springs, you can make coil springs, you can make a torsion spring, and I'm just using cheap junk wire right now for this demonstration, but when you use your brass spring wire that's available, that's probably what you really want to use. So I just take the wire and stick it in the chuck, okay? And then I hang on to this. There's a little bit of skill involved here, and I start spinning. Okay, and in literally 2 seconds, there's your spring. So I'll grab another piece of shorter. We'll take this out of the chuck. We'll put the longer one in there, and I'll put a skinnier rod in there. Let me grab another piece of wire. Okay, once again, I'm going to stick the end in the chuck, right there. Bend it around. And this time I'm going to make a tight spring. And I went right to the end. And then of course you can take it out and snip it as you need to. Like you can see with this one, I left it more like a torsion spring. And then you can bend it around afterwards like you need to, or do whatever you want. Whether this is valuable information or not, I don't know. But